Replit versus Bolt, which coding assistant is better? Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to give you a side-by-side breakdown of two intelligent coding tools, Replit AI and Bolt, highlighting performance, automation, and integration. So let's get started. Whether you're a developer, builder, or just someone trying to streamline your workflow, you've likely came across Replit and Bolt. At first glance, they may look like they serve totally different purposes, but there is actually some surprising crossover. So, in today's video, let's unpack what each one offers and where they really shine. So, starting with Replit AI, this tool is built to take you from concept to live application in no time. You can start coding in over 50 plus programming languages without configuring a local environment or touching your terminal. But what truly sets Replit apart is how everything is bundled seamlessly. Built-in version control, package management, live deployment, and AI support via Ghostwriter, which is their integrated coding assistant. Replit is perfect for solo developers, students, or small teams rapidly building MVPs. It gives you that fast feedback loop type test, tweak, repeat. So, next up is Bolt. This one plays in a different space. Bolt is an AI native automation assistant designed for people who want to eliminate manual tasks and connect tools without traditional programming. You describe the outcome, and Bolt handles the logic behind it, wiring together APIs, databases, and triggers automatically. Think of it like having a personal automation developer at your fingertips, only much faster. So it's incredibly useful for non-developers too. You don't need to know how to code. Just describe your workflow and Bolt builds it for you. And if you are technical, you can customize how Bolt run things behind the curtain. So Bolt is ideal for operational workflows, thinking and task automation, turning routine headaches into one-click solutions. So let's directly compare these two. In Replit AI, you'll be able to see fully cloud-based development platform, offers code completion, bug fixes, and smart AI suggestions. It works with languages like JavaScript, Python, Java, HTML, CSS, feature collaborative editing, integration AI chat. Whereas Bolt is available as a plugin for VS Code and JetBrains IDEs, it delivers real-time AI coding assistance with smart refactoring. So, if we're talking about strengths and weaknesses, Replit has some strengths and weaknesses. It is ideal for quick builds, learning to code, and sharing live projects. Everything is in one place, write, preview, deploy, so there is no need to set up tools locally. But there are some downsides. It must be online to use and not tailored for heavy local development workflows. Whereas Bolt also has some strengths and downsides. Strengths include that it improves your local IDE with powerful AI driven help. It supports offline editing and complex refactors. But there are some downsides that it depends on your IDE's plugin ecosystem, doesn't offer a built in way to push live deployments. So, who should use what? You can use Replit if you prefer a cloud first platform that just works, you're learning to code or working on rapid prototypes. And you can choose Bolt if you develop locally using VS Code or JetBrains, or you need inline suggestions, instant bug fixes, or refactoring help. So, Replit and Bolt both expand what a single person can accomplish, but they solve very different challenges. So, Replit gives you power through coding, while Bolt delivers power without coding. So try both, and you might discover that using them together can fill in the gaps in your workflow beautifully. So that's it for today's video. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.